Hello everyone, I would like to share with you our little experience that we had now in this time of the corona. As you know, the corona is a big disease and a lot of people died from this. And my whole family, my wife and my children were sick in corona. But the situation was very dangerous with my wife. She's pregnant and she was 2 times hospitalized and we didn't know what to do. It was a danger of life. It's a question of breathing and also for the baby that she had in her womb. And so she went to the hospital and we thought what to do, what we can do. So then I was thinking about Rabbi Yaakov Shepherd, about this idea that he has, that he knows how to do the tikkun of Pidyon Nefesh. So we called them and we did the Pidyon Nefesh for my wife and the children. And Baruch Hashem, we saw wonders and miracles. She came in the hospital and then immediately she went out. And in a few hours, and then she came another few days again, and the doctors didn't understand what's happening. She's coming in, and then they said, okay, you can go out. And then Baruch Hashem, she had this miracle, and to my opinion, I think that it's a schus of the Pidyon Nefesh that it makes wonders and miracles, and it can change the situation, and it can change from maves l'chaim.